The Bunch of Thanks card kit creates 8 different cards. Actually, creates 8 cards total, 4 each of 2 different designs. We have pre-printed envelopes with our beautiful bouquet of flowers. There's twine included so that you can slide it off to open up your card. So very grateful, and a thank you on the inside. These are absolutely adorable. And then here is the other card design. On the inside, you have thanks a bunch for your love and support. It is so helpful to have thank you cards on hand and ready to go, and these are absolutely adorable. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.